Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic for every business owner out there: how to choose the right accounting and tax service. Getting this right can save you a ton of headaches, time, and money. Getting it wrong, well, let's just say it can be a costly mistake. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to finding the perfect financial partner for your business. First things first, let's talk about what these services actually do. It's not just about filing your taxes once a year. A good accounting service is your financial co-pilot. They handle bookkeeping, which is the day-to-day recording of all your income and expenses. They manage payroll, making sure your team gets paid correctly and on time. They generate financial reports like profit and loss statements and balance sheets, which are vital for understanding your business's health and making smart decisions. And, of course, they handle tax planning and preparation, helping you stay compliant and minimize your tax bill legally. It's a comprehensive package that keeps your financial engine running smoothly. So, where do you start your search? The first step is to assess your own business needs. Are you a solo freelancer just starting out, a small business with a few employees, or a rapidly growing startup with complex transactions? Your needs will change depending on your size and complexity. A freelancer might just need basic bookkeeping and a simple tax return. A larger business will need payroll services, more detailed financial reporting, and strategic tax planning. Make a list of what you absolutely need right now and what you might need in the next year or two. Thinking ahead is key. For example, if you plan to seek funding from investors, you'll need pristine financial statements. If you're expanding into another state, you'll need someone with multi-state tax expertise. Be honest about your situation. Once you know what you need, you can start looking at the different types of providers. You've got a few main options. There are large national accounting firms. These are the big names you've probably heard of. They offer a huge range of services and have deep expertise, but they can also be the most expensive option, often better suited for large corporations. On the other end of the spectrum, you have solo CPAs or small, local firms. These can be a fantastic choice for small to medium-sized businesses. They often provide more personalized service and can be more affordable. You get to build a real relationship with the person handling your finances. Then there are online accounting services and platforms. These have become super popular. They use technology to automate a lot of the work, which can make them very cost-effective. They're great for tech-savvy business owners who are comfortable with a digital-first approach. Finally, you might consider a bookkeeper. A bookkeeper handles the daily recording of transactions, but they typically can't provide tax advice or file your tax returns unless they have the right certifications. Often, businesses will use a bookkeeper for daily tasks and a CPA for higher-level strategy and tax filing. Okay, so you've got a list of potential candidates. What questions should you be asking? This is the interview stage, and it's crucial. First, ask about their experience with businesses like yours. You want someone who understands your industry. The financial challenges of a restaurant are very different from those of a software company or a construction business. An accountant with industry-specific knowledge will be aware of common pitfalls, benchmarks, and tax-saving opportunities unique to your field. Ask them to give you examples of how they've helped similar businesses. Next, talk about qualifications and credentials. Are they a certified public accountant or CPA? This is a key designation. CPAs are held to a high ethical standard and have passed a rigorous exam. You can also ask if they're an enrolled agent, or AA. EAs are federally licensed tax practitioners who specialize in taxation. Also, ask about the software they use. Do they work with QuickBooks, Xero, or another platform? It's important that their systems can integrate smoothly with yours. If you're already using a specific software, finding an accountant who is an expert in it will make the transition seamless. Communication is another huge factor. How do they prefer to communicate? Email, phone calls, in-person meetings. How often will you hear from them? You don't want an accountant who disappears for months and only shows up at tax time. A good financial partner should be proactive. They should provide you with monthly reports and be available to answer questions when they arise. Ask about their response time. When you have an urgent question, how quickly can you expect a reply? Set clear expectations about communication from the very beginning. And now for the question everyone wants to know: what about the cost? Pricing structures can vary a lot. Some firms charge by the hour. This can be unpredictable, and costs can add up quickly if you have a lot of questions. Others offer a flat monthly fee, which is often called a subscription model. This is becoming really popular because it gives you predictable costs and often includes ongoing support. You know exactly what you're paying each month for a specific set of services. Some might offer a fixed price for specific projects, like preparing your annual tax return. Make sure you get a detailed breakdown of what's included in their fee. Are phone calls and emails extra? Is tax planning included? Or is that a separate charge? Don't be shy about asking for a clear, written proposal that outlines all the services and costs. You need to avoid surprise bills down the road. Beyond the technical stuff, you need to find someone you trust and feel comfortable with. This is a long-term relationship. You'll be sharing sensitive financial information with this person or firm. During your initial consultations, pay attention to the vibe. Do they listen to your concerns? Do they explain things in a way you can understand, or do they just use a bunch of confusing jargon? A great accountant is also a great teacher. They should empower you to understand your finances better, not make you feel intimidated. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. You're looking for a partner who is genuinely invested in your success. To recap, here's your action plan. 1. Assess your business needs both now and in the future. 2. Explore your options from local CPAs to online platforms. 3. Create a shortlist and schedule consultations. 4. Ask the right questions about their experience, credentials, communication style, and fees. And 5. Choose a partner you trust who understands your industry and makes you feel confident. Finding the right accounting and tax service is one of the best investments you can make in your business. It frees you up to focus on what you do best are running and growing your company, while giving you the peace of mind that your finances are in expert hands. Don't rush the process. Take your time, do your research, and you'll find the perfect fit. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and if you found this video valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build a thriving business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.